viewers, welcome to another episode on child education here on Goza TV. I am your host, King Gerald. My topic today is, who is a teacher? I know everybody have their own definition on who a teacher is. Some will tell you a teacher is someone who teaches, who teaches a child or who teaches anybody, or a teacher is someone who impacts knowledge into someone. That's fine. But here, I'm here to give you my own definition on who a teacher is or should be in the life of a child. Number one, a teacher should be a God. When I mean a teacher should be a God, it simply means you bringing up the life God has given you to take care of. Now, you may say this child is not mine, so I don't really care. But don't forget that person is created for you, for a purpose, for you to also impact into that life. So that life is for you to nurture and bring forth. Secondly, you should be a parent. Now, because you are not the father or the mother of that child, but as a teacher, you are bound to be a parent. So that child belongs to you, not biologically, but otherwise. So that child is yours to take care of as a parent. So if that child is having issue, you should also have issues. Third, you should be a child's best friend. So as a teacher, a child should be free to talk to you when he or she is having any issue. A child should be free to rapport with you. A child should be free to communicate with you. You shouldn't be rigid. You shouldn't be stiff. You should be flexible. A child should be able to have good communication with you if that child has anything bothering him or her. Fourth, you should be a child's playmate. I know as an adult we feel we can't stoop so low to a child's level. But as a teacher, you should do that. You should be able to play with a child. You should be able to stoop so low. When I mean a child, it could be a teenager. It could be a little baby. You should be able to communicate with a child. You should be able to tell when a child is having little issues with him or herself. Next, we have an advisor. As a teacher, you should be an advisor. You should also be a counselor. You should also be a guardian angel. You should be able to guide a child through the right path. The child should be able to confide in you if the child is having any difficulties. As a teacher, you should be able to play so many roles that even parents can't play. Because I could tell you some parents don't even know most of the things that are happening to their children at home. But a teacher should be able to tell this. That is what distinguishes you from a common teacher and a professional teacher. Though I'm not trying to be all professional here, but I'm talking to all teacher at random. Like you being a teacher, you being a teacher. You should be able to impact. You should be able to touch life. You should be able to have good communication with a child or any child given or put under your care. This is all I'll be giving you today on Goza TV. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you like this video, please comment, share, subscribe, and also don't forget to like and turn on your notification button for more videos. So you can visit our website, www.gozatv.com. I'm your host, King Gerald. Till next time, stay blessed.